Rear delt fly, reverse fly, proper form, bone alignment and muscle anatomy. A rear delt fly is a shoulder exercise that targets the posterior, deltoids, back of the shoulders, and upper back muscles. It can be done with dumbbells, cables, resistance bands, or on a reverse pec deck machine. Proper body alignment, standing dumbbell version. Setup and posture cues. Feet hip width apart. Slight bend in knees. Hinge at hips, neutral spine. Chest proud, shoulders down and back. Core engaged. Arms slightly bent, 15 to 20 degrees. Neck neutral, eyes looking slightly ahead down. Side view, bone alignment and movement pattern. Bone alignment side view. Before lift, bottom position. Head aligned with spine. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar spine. Neutral straight line. Hips hinged, 45 degrees torso angle. Knees slightly flexed. Shoulders slightly protracted, not rounded excessively. During lift, top position. Spine remains neutral, no rounding. Arms move in line with shoulder joint. Scapula retract, shoulder blades squeeze together. Humerus abducts horizontally. Joint movements, side view. Hip joint, isometric hinge hold. Spine, isometric stabilization. Shoulder joint, horizontal abduction. Scapula, retraction or slight depression. Front view, bone alignment and movement pattern. Bone alignment, front view. Before lift, arms hanging straight down. Slight elbow bend. Shoulders square, not shrugged. Knees aligned over toes. During lift, arms move outward in a T shape. Elbows slightly bent but fixed angle. Wrists neutral. Scapula retracts symmetrically. No torso rotation. Anatomy, muscles working. Primary muscle. Posterior deltoid, main target. Secondary muscles. Rhomboids, scapular retraction. Middle trapezius, shoulder blade squeeze. Lower trapezius, scapular stability. Infraspinatus, shoulder stabilization. Teres minor, external rotation assist. Muscle anatomy visualization. 3 step-by-step execution. Step 1, hinge. Push hips back while keeping spine neutral. Step 2, brace. Engage core and set shoulders down. Step 3, lift. Raise arms out to the side until elbows reach shoulder height. Step 4, squeeze. Pause 1 second and squeeze shoulder blades together. Step 5, control down. Lower slowly, 2 to 3 seconds. 4 common mistakes, avoid these. Rounding lower back, using momentum, shrugging shoulders, turning it into a row, locking elbows, standing too upright. 5 coaching cues for perfect alignment. Chest down, back flat. Lead with elbows, not hands. Squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades. Arms wide like airplane wings. Move the shoulder joint, not the torso. 6 front versus side alignment summary. View key focus, side neutral spine, hip hinge maintained. Front symmetrical arm path, scapular squeeze. Both no shrugging, no swinging. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.